Welcome to Wildlife Yoga. Today our class is all about good ways to help you wake up for the day and start your day out really nicely. I'm gonna grab this little stuffed animal that he has. He's gonna stretch his legs out and rest that stuffed animal on his belly and try to take some really big breaths so that the stuffed animal even moves up and down a little bit. Oh, good. Take some really slow, big breaths. Breathe really deep, like you're bringing in all of the nice new air of this brand new day. Good job. Good work. I'm gonna give him some gentle body squeezes. I'm gonna give his little creature back and I'm gonna ask his permission. Wolf, are you okay if I give you a little tiny body massage to help you wake up? It's good to ask permission. I'm gonna start with his little toes. Give him some nice squeezes. Rubs on his legs. And his thighs and his hips. Good, and his belly. Rubbing the belly. Let's see those arms. Oh, this is a good one to do. Shake that hand. Let's see this hand. Oh, good morning. Waking up for the day, huh? Yeah. Now I'm gonna rub his back a little bit. So can you roll onto your side? Oh, give him some nice back rubs. Oh, get those legs again. Get his sides. Oh, that feels so nice. That feel good. Get his neck. He's getting ready to wake up for the day. Okay. Get those feet really good. We gotta have good, strong feet for the day so we can play and explore. Okay, it's time for us to rock and roll, to sit up from our bed. So hug your knees in, and we'll start to rock and roll on our bed. Can you rock and roll a little bit so we can sit all the way up? Yeah, you can do it. Rock and roll all the way up. Oh, good job. Nice work. Now that we're sitting up, it's time to get some twisting going so our spines are all ready for the day. So we'll start by facing each other, okay? And I'm put one leg down and the other leg over. So look, I'm kind of twisted like this. And then we'll have this arm, put this arm like this, and we'll high five with this hand, okay? Then, this is the tricky part. Keep your feet planted on the ground. Then we gotta turn around like this, ready? Ready? Keep your feet, turn all the way around. Oh, and now we're on the other side and we high five with the other hand. This one's a little bit tricky to do. High five, ready, set, twist. There's two ways to twist. You could just switch your legs and do it. Or you could do a full twist, okay? Ready, set, one more time. Ready, one more time. 1, 2, 3. High five. Yeah, nice work. This breath exercise is all about helping us get ready to have an awesome day. Sit up really tall, bring your big thumbs up high into the air and open up your chest to the sky. Okay, and we're gonna take some really big breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Well, big breath in through your nose. You could do fast ones. You want to do bunny breath? That's a good one to do too. Bunny breath's a good one to wake up to also. Nice work. Now it's time for our sun salutations where we say good morning to the sun. Stretch up high, wave to the sun. Hang down low, tickle your toes. Feet jump back just like a frog. Belly on the ground just like a snake. Look towards the sun. Now downward dog. And breathe. Feet jump up just like a frog. hang down low, tickle your toes, stretch up high, wave to the sun, mountain pose. Stretch up high, wave to the sun, hang down low, tickle your toes, feet jump back just like a frog, belly on the ground just like a snake, look toward the sun, now downward dog, and breathe, good job, feet jump up just like a frog, hang down low, tickle your toes, stretch up high, wave to the sun, mountain pose. Good job. And if you want to, we'll stand up tall, spread your arms out wide. We got to twist our arms. Have those noodle arms, noodle spaghetti arms. Get those hands and arms woken up for the day. Maybe shake those hands and feet out a little bit. Get all the way shooken out. Ready to start your day? Maybe pat your legs, pat your arms. Good. All right, now let's come all the way down. Now think of something really special that you want to have be your theme for the day today. So let's say the affirmation. Let's have our thumbs up high again. We could even do a thumbs next to each other like this. Okay, so we'll do double thumbs up. We'll say, we're gonna have a great day. Ready? Let's say it together 3 times. Ready? I'm gonna have a great day. I'm gonna have a great day. Woohoo! And we can think of something. Also, to have a great day is to have some gratitude for what's around you. So can you think of something you're grateful for? Can you think of something you're grateful for?
My family.
Grateful for your family. That's a beautiful thing to be grateful for. I'm grateful for you, Wolf. Mwah. And I'm grateful for the sun. And I'm grateful for the rain.
I'm grateful for my stuffed animals. Oh. I'm grateful for my...
That's awesome. It'd be good to be grateful for all your friends and everything. Yeah. So throughout your day today, to make it extra good, try to think of a couple of things that you can be grateful for. All right? Well, good morning. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. See you later.